Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do simple and easy bottle art. So for doing this beautiful bottle art, we need a transparent bottle. So I'm using chalk paint. If you don't have chalk paint, you can even use white acrylic paint. So guys, it's really easy. You have to give it a try. So this is especially for Valentine's Day. You can gift it, obviously. So I have double coated it. This is a glitter paper. So I'm using a heart punch for getting heart shapes. So the number of hearts depends on the bottle size. Just stick like this. So for sticking you can use Fevicol. So stick the remaining part of the punched glitter paper to the mouth of the bottle. Wow, this looks super cool and lovely. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.